never took no brain. So listen to my crazy song, and I'm sure you will admit that the more I yodel this here tune, the less you get of it. I don't know. And all the birds from miles around will hide their heads in shame. Now the cuckoo birds are worried too, though I have not as yet learned to yodel like they sing, but I will soon, you bet. Folks on the mountainside yodel to you see.